Hi, my name is Mohammed, and in this video we'll learn about comments in more details. So let's begin. Now we use comments to document some code. So let's see some example. Here we see that we can say that we want to assign 1 to x, and this should work. But it's better just to give a comment so that other programmers understand this, although it's a really simple statement. But when the code gets really complex, say we have a bunch of code here and can be over 100 statements, then it's better to have the habit of commenting each part of the code so that others understand what you mean. And even you, if you come back let's say after a week or a month and check your code again, you most likely won't remember what you have written. Alright, now we have two types of comments. We have this single line comments, which we have seen. This one is used to comment the entire line here. So all the line here will be commented and won't be executed. And I want to note that if you write some code before the 2 slashes, the code will be executed. So let's say I want to write x equals to 1, then I write a comment, then this code will be executed, since the line that will be commented will start from here to the end. Now the other type of comments are the multiple line comments. The way it looks like is like this. It starts with this thing and ends with this thing. Now to include a line inside this multiple line comments, we add a star, and if we press enter we see a bunch of lines here that we can use to hit a comment. Here we have a bunch of comments. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.